Buckle up, car lovers. It's time for the countdown of the best leather seat cover picks that will upgrade your ride's look and feel. From protection against spills to that showroom sleek sheen, these options are engineered to fit and last. Today, I'm going to be going over the best leather seat cover that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Eka Highlander seat covers. These seats covers are built for real-world SUV use, with a durable outer shell that wears well against daily grit and a soft inner layer that feels comfortable on long drives. The material is described as a water-repellent, neoprene-like fabric that resists spills and scuffs, while the inner layer stays breathable to reduce heat buildup in hot weather. Fit is marketed as universal for most mid-size SUVs, with precise paneling that wraps around the seat corners and provides a clean, tailored look even on contoured Highlander seats. Construction features include double-stitched seams, reinforced edge bindings, and a non-slip backing that helps the covers stay in place during entry and exit. Installation is a straightforward three-step method. Loosen the seat, slide the cover over the backrest, align the bottom edge, and secure with integrated straps and buckles that anchor under the seat. Some models advertise a separate headrest cover and a pocket panel for storing small items. Others emphasize a minimalist single fabric approach with fewer seams for easier cleaning. In terms of practicality, the Eka Highlander seat covers claim to protect against everyday spills, pet hair, UV fading, and daily wear, which is valuable for families, commuters, and weekend adventurers who want a refreshed interior without premium price tags. Product's warranty is typically a year or two, with a customer support backbone that helps with sizing questions and installation tips. The color choices offered range from deep black to warm gray, with stitching threads that either blend in or provide a subtle contrast to emphasize the seat shape. When you pull them tight, you notice a snug lock-in feel that reduces sagging at the seat base, which can be a pain point for cheaper universal covers. The durability claim is reinforced by the thick layer beneath the surface that resists cracking and the reinforced corners that don't peel away after repeated flexing during climbs in and out of the car. Short commutes or longer road trips alike, the Eka Highlander seat covers create a calm, preserved cabin vibe that reduces the guilt of eating and drinking inside the car, because cleanup is quick and straightforward. The overall impression is that these covers lean toward rugged practicality with just enough styling cues to avoid looking utilitarian. Compared to the faux seat covers, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Eka Highlander seat covers offer a more rugged aesthetic and a tighter edge-to-edge fit. At number 4, we have the faux seat covers. These are designed for full coverage across front and rear seating with a strong emphasis on a premium look and easy maintenance. The outer layer is described as a durable, faux leather style material that mimics the look of real leather while delivering superior stain resistance and wipe-clean convenience. Inner lining is soft to the touch, reducing friction against fabric seats and helping to prevent wear and tear on the upholstery beneath. Fit is marketed as universal, with stretch panels and elastic edges intended to accommodate a wide range of bucket and bench seats in mid-size sedans and SUVs. Double stitching and reinforced seams are highlighted as standard, along with anti-slip backing that helps prevent shifting during aggressive driving, cornering, and the daily routine of getting in and out of the vehicle. Installation is approachable. You place the backrest cover over the seat, secure the elastic bands around the bottom, and fasten any hooks behind the seat cushions. A few models include a separate headrest cover and a front pocket for small items. User experience notes often mention that the material feels supple yet resilient, with a notable advantage in preventing liquid spills from soaking through to the original upholstery. Cleaning is straightforward, with most variants claiming machine washable or easy spot cleaning options. Some colors may require air drying to avoid creases that can occur with deep folding. While the faux seat covers are competitive on price, their design intent leans toward a refined, contemporary style that suits a wide spectrum of interiors. Compared to the Eka Highlander seat covers, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the faux version tends to offer a slightly softer hand feel. At number 3, we have the Coverado car seat covers. These covers emphasize universal fit with a modular approach that aims to work across a broad range of vehicle models, including many popular sedans and compact SUVs. The outer fabric is described as a water-resistant blend that resists light spills and everyday stains, while the inner layers balance comfort with durability. The backing is designed to be breathable and to minimize heat buildup during summer use, with a non-slip surface to reduce shifting during entry and exit. Padding is modest but effective, providing a more comfortable feel on long drives without creating a bulky silhouette that hides the seat contour. Installation is framed as a straightforward process. Slide the cover over the seat, align the edges with the seams, and secure with a set of elastic straps and hooks that tuck away under the cushions. Design details include reinforced corners, discrete opening flaps for seat belts and lever controls, and a choice of colorways that can complement a wide range of interiors. Maintenance notes highlight stain resistance and easy cleaning with damp cloths or light washing, with some variants offering machine-washable components for quick refreshes. Buyers often praise the covers for improving the overall cabin appearance while maintaining reasonable comfort and breathability in daily use. Compared to the CarPass car seat covers, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Coverado set tends to emphasize a snugger fit on rounded seat shapes and a slightly higher emphasis on color matching options. At number 2, we have the CarPass car seat covers. These covers are positioned as a strong all-rounder for daily drivers, combining a premium-looking vegan leather aesthetic with a resilient inner fabric that resists staining and abrasion. The outer layer is described as an easy care surface that wipes clean and resists water and oil-based spills, while the interior aims to balance softness with durability to keep you comfortable on longer trips. It is highlighted as universal, with adaptive corners and adjustable straps designed to accommodate a wide variety of bucket and bench seats in sedans, crossovers, and small SUVs. The back row coverage often includes provisions for seat belts and armrests, and some packages even provide additional headrest covers and removable seat mats for extra protection. Installation steps emphasize a straightforward approach. Position the backrest cover, thread the straps under the seat cushion, and secure with buckles that help prevent shifting during driving. Cleaning is described as straightforward through spot cleaning or light machine washing, with careful attention to avoid fading on darker colors after repeated wash cycles. Value is a recurring theme here, with many buyers noting that the CarPass set offers good protection without the premium price tag of some boutique brands. Compared to the Coverado car seat covers, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the CarPass option delivers a more uniformly finished look with a slightly firmer feel and broader color matching opportunities. At number 1, we have the Coverado car seat covers. These top-tier covers are designed for maximum protection, combining a robust outer fabric with a soft interior liner that cushions and shields the upholstery from spills, pets, and daily wear. The outer material is described as a high-grade, water-resistant microfiber or polyurethane-coated fabric that resists stains and cleans up quickly with a damp cloth. Interior is engineered for comfort, with a breathable layer that helps moderate temperature changes and reduce heat buildup after long drives. Fit is framed as highly adaptable, with reinforced seams, precision-tailored panels, and a universal fit that works across most car makes and models, including popular trucks, sedans, and compact SUVs. The installation process is intuitive, featuring a slim profile that slides over the seat, with anchor straps and clips that fasten securely under the cushion and around the back of the seat. Covers are designed to shield the seat base from sun fade, cracking, and spill-through, while offering easy access to seat controls, seat belts, and armrest levers. Maintenance is straightforward, with many users reporting that the covers withstand repeated wash cycles or deep cleaning sessions without losing their shape or color. Aesthetically, the overall look is premium, with clean lines and a rich, uniform finish that enhances the interior without overpowering existing decor. The warranty window is typically generous, with responsive customer service ready to assist with fit checks and replacement requests. Compared to the Coverado car seat covers, which I have included as number 3 on this list, these top-tier covers set the standard for durability, fit precision, and long-term resilience.